This is a tutorial for how to turn in your assignments in Sonic Pi. The first thing that you're going to do is record your composition. So you're going to press record, then run it. Then press record again to stop recording and to save it. I'm going to call it Twinkle. Save it somewhere that you can remember where it is. And then you're going to go into Schoology to turn it in. So you can close out Sonic Pi and then go back into Schoology and click on the assignment. You're going to click Submit Assignment. And then you're going to find where you've saved it on your computer. Should be a WAV file. Then you're going to click Open. It'll upload. And you'll click Submit. And then it should show that your assignment is submitted.